Hey guys, so today we're going to be blowing up this Charge 3 battery. It's expelled, like it's expanded quite a bit, as you can see. It's 6,000 milliamp hour capacity. It's out of the first generation of the Charge 3. It's the 2015 model. And it's gone through hard life in the hot sun and lots of beach trips. And my mate's going to smash it with a hammer. Good God. How is it not doing anything? It's fully charged, guys. It's completely charged.
It's sparking.
It's dangerous.
It's sparking. Oh, shit.
It's actually scary. As you've, if you're a long time viewer, you've previously known about a year ago I did some explosions with some 18650 batteries. Well, this one's got a high density, so I don't know what's going to happen.
Take it. Take it. It sparked. You see it sparked. If I die, God's gonna help me.
Oh my gosh, bro. More humor. Oh my God.
Fuck,
How many times has he missed it? Oh. Fuck me.
That's right. I did that.
Holy
That's right.
fucking shit. I don't feel like that was all of it.
Look at me.
Oh, no, it wasn't. That's dangerous. That's scary. Whoa.
Look at that thing.
It's going through all the layers slowly. I think that was it, though, that time.
That's it. That's right. Look at that thing. I don't know how to put it out.